Looking for the perfect chai recipe for your dosha? I'm Monica Gisela, the founder of Prana with Love, the place where people turn for Ayurvedic guidance. In this video, I'll show you a delicious Ayurvedic chai recipe for each dosha, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. I'll also talk about the benefits of drinking this yummy potion. Keep watching. The benefits of chai are numerous. We are in winter season, and as we add more layers to our clothing, if observant, we can notice that changes produced by the weather on the body and emotions are huge. As per Ayurveda, the cold and windy temperatures increase the air element within us. More air equals indecisiveness, hyperactivity, and agitation. It becomes common to lose sleep over trivial things. Sad to say, insomnia quickly turns into anxiety and low performance during the day. Winter, on the other hand, brings along the earth element. Short, freezing days make us feel lethargic and apathetic. It's not absurd to want to stay in our pajamas all day, watching an all rerun when we get too much of it. What I just described are the Vata and Kapha aggravated doshas, respectively. Clearly, they don't facilitate our brightest, most productive or happier times. That's why we need to add foods to our diet that are inherently stimulating while also being deeply grounding, so we can diminish naturally the elevated elements, air and earth, and come back to a state of homeostasis. These Ayurvedic chai recipes offer you exactly that. A homemade Ayurvedic chai is perfect for you whenever you're feeling too airy or too earthy, because it calms your nervous system, it improves the condition of the skin by hydrating it, it boosts circulation in the body, it enhances fertility and reproductive health, it increases hojas, the nectar of life. It balances hormones, it improves digestion, it alleviates bloating and constipation. What's in it? Firstly, the spices that we use in these recipes add warmth to the body and help strengthen the digestive fire or acne. Cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, and cloves remove blockages and facilitate movement, something we definitely want to support when Vata or Kapha, or both, are intensified. Fennel, tulsi, ginger are also profoundly aromatic, a great stimulant for our senses. We will use homemade cashew milk for Vata and Pitta chai lattes, as it is heavier and more stabilizing for those types of bodies. Kapha needs lightness, therefore we will prepare these doshas chai in water only. Not to worry, as it'll still be delicious.